In this video, I'll explain what Paze is, how to use it, and why it's one of the easiest ways to earn extra Chase points right now. Paze is a checkout option, and it's pretty similar to Apple Pay and PayPal. It makes shopping online easier, and you'll be able to see this as an option during the checkout page. To get more people to start to use this, Chase started offering a benefit where you can earn 10 times additional points when you use Paze to check out at certain stores. This is for a purchase at Newegg, which is a store that lets you use Paze there. And you can see I get a total of 11 points per dollar back, 10 points from Paze, and 1 point from the card. Since Paze is a checkout option, you can actually double dip this benefit by using a shopping portal like Rakuten or the Capital One shopping app. For example, when I bought this on Newegg, I went through Rakuten for an additional 1 point per dollar. So that meant that after Rakuten and the Paze bonus, I got a total of 12 points per dollar. To enroll your Chase cards into Paze, I found it's easier to do this on the Chase app. So we'll switch over there and I'll show you how to do that. Open up the Chase app and choose the Chase card that you want to enroll. Choose Manage Account and then select Digital Wallets. From here, choose Paze, and then you should see a list of your different Chase cards here. Go ahead and select the one you want to enroll, and then choose Link My Card to Paze at the very bottom here. After a couple of seconds, it should try to enroll, and you should get a confirmation message at the very top. So if it looks like this, then you should be good to go. Once you're enrolled, you should start to see Paze as a checkout option at the stores that support it. I've heard some people have run into issues when they try to enroll the Chase cards into Paze. Chase seems to be aware of it, but they don't have an exact timeline on when it should be resolved. I would recommend trying to add all your different Chase cards to see if it works. This should work for any of the personal Chase cards, but it won't work for business ones. One of the downsides of Paze is not a lot of stores support it right now, but here's a list of the stores that do, so you can pause the video and see if you shop at any of these. I would say the two highlights are United and StubHub, because now if you need to buy any flights, you'll get those 10 additional points for any flights you buy through United. For the StubHub credit, if you have the Chase Sapphire Reserve, you can actually triple dip this benefit. To do this, you want to make sure you use a shopping portal like Rakuten or the Capital One shopping app, and once you click through that, when you're paying for your StubHub ticket, you want to make sure you use Paze with your reserve card, so that way you're able to use that $150 credit and you get those 10 additional points on top of that. Another downside is that, at least for now, you're only able to earn those additional points through the end of this year. Also, you only earn the additional points up to $1,500 of spend per month. This is a great way to earn extra Chase points on things you might be buying anyway, so hopefully they add more stores before the end of the year. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more videos where I show you how to maximize your credit card points and benefits.